Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Custom Crate Engines by Proformance Unlimited. We were just joking here, that's why we were laughing a little bit. But we got a badass 427 Windsor stroker on the dyno. Just got done making multi-port fuel injection also. Just got done making 618 horsepower, about 590 foot-pounds of torque. That's all down low. And streetlight to streetlight, this is one kick-ass motor. We build one of the baddest motors in the country. You put your trust in us, you will enjoy and we will deliver. Hey, peace.